to Vietnam.
Nama gue Sandi.
สวัสดีค่ะ ชื่อนนท์ค่ะ มาจากประเทศไทยนะคะ Hi, ako si Gabi from Philippines. Hello, nama aku Jessie dari Indonesia. Xin chào, mình đây là Chi, mình đến từ Việt Nam. สวัสดีค่ะ ชื่อนินะคะ มาจากประเทศไทย
Okay, what's your name? Mimi. Where are you from? Vietnam. How long have you been here?
4 years.
In Malaysia? 4 years? Okay, what do you think the best thing about Malaysia? Do you have like one specific thing that you can think of? I'm too tall lah.
Oh, Malaysia. The best thing about Malaysia?
Yeah, just one.
I like the... Why can't I come up with anything right now?
Yeah, just anything.
I love the transportation,
Oh,
the shopping.
specifically in KL, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The
just
shopping is
transportation.
nice.
Shopping, nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Still higher.
It's different than Vietnam, is it?
Yeah, like we have more things here.
But Malaysia, we always go to Vietnam to shop.
Really? Why?
We always go to Ho Chi Minh City, and then there's
What
like a
kind of
market
shopping
there.
do you do?
Everything. They sell like cheap stuff over there. Yeah, very cheap stuff.
We
Like,
come here to do like branded stuff.
yeah, I mean there's a lot of branded stuff over there in Vietnam because the factories are all there. So you can get like all these Nike shoes, all these branded stuff, bags and everything for a lot cheaper.
I like here because there's concerts.
Concerts?
Because usually the concert isn't held in.
Okay. That's a good one.
Budak Indon ramai sini, budak Indon. Lepas lagi. Halo semua, nama gue Sandi. Gue dari Indonesia. Sekarang gue lagi di waterfall chilling sama our famous
Mana lagi? Berapa lama dah kat
Ini
Malaysia?
dah 14 tahun.
14 tahun eh?
Dah boleh dah cakap bahasa.
Cakap pun dah macam orang Melayu.
Saya dah macam orang Sabah tau.
Oh, ramai orang ingat you orang Sabah.
Ah.
Okay, tell me one thing that you like the most about Malaysia.
The road, the traffic.
Oh. Okay, the road, highways and
So,
everything.
tak ada
right?
jam sini, jam okey ada tapi still okey lah, still
acceptable kan.
lah.
Okay.
In Indonesia, Jakarta especially teruk. Ni macam parking kita tak boleh gerak for 3 hours non-stop. Compare here, perfect.
Oh, that's good to know. So
That's
Malaysians don't complain about
Yes,
our
exactly. I was
traffic jam.
surprised by still complaining about the traffic. Oh my god, if you go to Jakarta, anywhere in Indonesia,
Oh, it's even
confirm
worse.
traffic.
And then the road is like very
Exactly.
Yeah.
So many two ways and dangerous also because like you're facing each other. Right?
That's a good one. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, ako si Gabi from Philippines.
Okay, Gabi, I need to ask like a few questions. Okay, how long have you been here?
7
In Malaysia?
years.
7 years. How has it been?
Good.
Good. Okay.
Good food, good people.
Okay, what is
Good job.
what is the one thing you like the most about Malaysia? I think you told me already about this the other day.
it?
Yeah.
EPF.
Yes, you really like EPF, huh? To you, that's the best thing about our country.
Yeah, we don't have that in the Philippines. Or we do,
Ah.
but it's not as good here as it is here.
Nice.
The returns are better here, basically.
Yeah, I think this is one of the rarest answers ever because people always say good food, good people, good place and everything, and then but suddenly when I ask you,
Because I work
EPF.
here.
yeah, because you
And
work
I've
there.
tasted EPF, and I don't have that in Manila.
That's nice. See guys, EPF is very important, guys.
Appreciate EPF in your country.
Thank you
Not
so much.
everyone has that.
Yeah, thank you so much for that. Really appreciate that.
Bye. Xin chào, mình là Mimi đến từ Việt Nam.
Nice. So, what is the one thing that you like the most about Malaysia?
In the diverse culture, like different religions, different ethnic, they coexist together.
I see.
And everyone was so like nice to each other, so that's beautiful. Not a lot of places that have those.
Nice. See guys, foreigners, they really appreciate our diversity, our cultural differences and everything. So we should appreciate our country more, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much, Mimi. Yeah, really appreciate that. Nice.
สวัสดีค่ะชื่อนนท์ค่ะมาจากประเทศไทยนะคะ
Ooh. How long have you been here in Malaysia?
3 months.
Oh, 3 months only.
3 months.
I see, I see. So you just started working?
Yes.
How has it been so far? Okay.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me, since you are quite new, I think it's quite hard for you to answer the question. But can you tell me that one thing that you like the most about Malaysia?
I think language too is like people in here can speak many languages. So I can speak English and Chinese. So
Oh, you can speak Chinese too?
a little bit.
Ah,
So
okay,
that
okay,
I can use what I learned from school in here.
I see. So it's a very easy communication lah, basically, right?
Yes.
Nice, nice, nice. Really appreciate your time. Thank you so much, Noy.
Welcome.
You're so shy.
Halo, nama aku Jessie dari Indonesia.
Okay, alright. Jessie, which part of Indonesia are you from?
Medan.
Medan. Oh, I've never been to Medan.
Oh, you should. It's very near.
Yeah. Lake Toba kan?
Yes.
Lake
there is
Toba.
Lake Toba there.
Yeah, I heard Lake Toba is even bigger than KL.
Maybe.
Yes, that's
I
the
think
fact.
so, I
Yeah,
think
that's the
so,
fact.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
how long have you been in Malaysia?
Around like 8 years.
8 years?
Yeah.
Ui, lama.
Yeah.
Okay, what is that one thing that you like the most about Malaysia?
I think the nature.
The nature?
It's very easy to go hiking like this.
Okay.
Yeah, even though we are in the city, it's just like feel right. Like, you know, like just now 45 minutes, then we can go somewhere nature.
Nice. Isn't it the same with Indonesia though?
I think depends on where you stay.
Uh-huh.
Like in my place, it's very cool.
I see. Because I heard of Kolam Abadi in Medan. Do you know Kolam Abadi?
I think I've heard that.
Like
before.
a very crystal clear river where you can just, take underwater shots. It's very, very awesome. And it's
Yeah.
blue and emerald in color.
Yeah,
Kolam
I heard
Abadi.
that. I heard that. Yeah.
Yeah, I
heard
really
that,
want to
yeah.
go there. Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Okay, you're welcome. Xin chào, mình tên là Chi, mình đến từ Việt Nam.
Nice. Okay, Chi, hi. How long have you been here in Malaysia?
I've been here for 4 years.
4 years? Oh, can you speak Malay? Can you speak Malay?
No, I can't.
Okay. How has it been so far?
Yeah, it's been nice living
Okay.
here.
Okay. All right. One question. What is that one thing you like the most about Malaysia?
What I like the most,
Yeah, about Malaysia.
slow pace.
Slow pace?
Yeah.
Really?
So I can chill. It's not like in Vietnam.
I see. How is it different with Vietnam?
Like after work,
Mhm.
you get home and you don't have much time to enjoy.
I see.
Yeah.
So you work more in Vietnam, is it?
Yeah, I work more.
I see. I've never heard something like that because you are living in KL. KL is like quite fast paced. I mean, if you go to any other state, it will be like much slower than KL. Yeah, nice. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Chi. You look so shy.
สวัสดีค่ะชื่อนินะคะมาจากประเทศไทย
I love Thai punya accent. I really love the language. It sounds so delicate. Okay, Nick, I want to ask you questions. How long have you been here?
It's actually my second year. Oh, my third year now.
Oh, your third year now. Okay, boleh cakap Melayu kan?
Yep.
Boleh cakap Melayu. Boleh sikit-sikit. Okay, Nick, what is that one thing that you like the most about Malaysia?
What I like the most is the thing that I'm so free here. I can go everywhere. Like it's normal. I can go by myself. I don't need anybody to accompany me if I want to go anywhere. I can take like any transportation as I like. Yeah.
Okay. How is it different between Malaysia and Thailand?
It's actually because I'm Muslim. The most clear thing that I can see is because I'm Thai and I'm Muslim. If I go to Thai sometime, I have to select some food that I can eat. But if I come here, like most of the food that
Yeah, it's really easy to get halal food. Yeah,
it's more
because
authentic.
because we are Muslim majority country, right? Yes, halal food is very, very important. I think Malaysia is one of the biggest hub for halal in the world. Okay, thank you, Nick. Thank you so much. So guys, there you have it. My foreigner friends, they've already shared what they like the most about our country, Malaysia. So yeah, some of the answers I did not really expect, like really did not expect. So it's very interesting insight that I get from the foreigners about our country. So yeah, I guess that is all. Happy Merdeka Malaysia. Saya sayang Malaysia. Saya anak Malaysia. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.